Hi. This week, for anyone who's missed our online workshop via Zoom, here's a quick recap. So, we're going to have first this Zoom meeting on Tuesday, and what you need to do for participation credit is not only attend the Zoom meeting, but also complete the 3 activities here. These activities are directly supporting your work on the online presentation for Project 3. Also, there are extra credit opportunities. If you create a presentation with Screencast-O-Matic and you include that in your online presentation, I'll give you extra credit on the final project. So, here are all of the requirements. We've gone through these before, but you're going to need to address all the main points of your paper, but address them in an online style. Do not copy and paste from your paper. Who would want to read who wants to read a paper rather than a website? You be the judge. So, include at least 5 visuals. This video says the best ones have 7 to 10 per page. Have 2 interactive elements. Could be a video, could be a quiz. What are the kind of things that you like to do when you go to a web page? And then make sure you have at least 5 hyperlinks. A hyperlink, as you all know, is a link like this where you click on it and it takes you to a new page. The new page could be a page that you create on your web page, or it could be an outside page, like a source that you used for a lot of your information, perhaps an article from New York Times or Courier Journal or something that you are using as one of your cases. You've seen hyperlinks. Put them in wherever you think they would be most effective. And if you're not sure where that would be, I have videos here that walk through all the best kind of steps for creating a website. And they're very fast, very user-friendly. Here are the tools. These are free online website builders. I highly recommend Weebly or WordPress. I've had students who had trouble with webs because sometimes they lost work. And PBWorks is what we're using right now. So if you want to do something you're familiar with from this class, PBWorks. Otherwise, Weebly or WordPress. Complete these activities and think about the extra credit. Have a great day.